Hello everybody and welcome to A Joyful Clay Tutor. My name is Tressa, and in this video I would like to talk about why I switched from using polymer clay to making my own DIY air dry clay. And the reason I switched is because number one, the stores in my area stopped selling my product. I use Fimo clay. I've been using Fimo clay for 25 years, and they stopped selling my product. And the big box store that was left increased the price of the product to $3.49 for a little square, 2-ounce block. So it became cost prohibitive for me to make my sculptures and to sell them, at a reasonable price. So I needed a new medium that was just as strong or stronger than Fimo and just as cheap to make. So that's when I found a recipe for DIY air dry clay or called porcelain clay. And this new medium, has a steep learning curve, and it's taken me 1 year to figure it out. So if you're interested in learning about how to, make your own DIY clay, how to use air dry clay, and all the ins and outs and all the questions that you might have about this clay, please subscribe to my channel and I will be posting videos regularly. I'm also on Instagram and TikTok. So have a good day. Please subscribe and like this video. Bye.